Hi, today we are discussing about the identifiers. So, what is identifier? So, a name in Python program is called identifier. So, if suppose it can be a class name or function name or module name or variable name. If suppose I have given the variable is a equal to 10. Here a is called as an identifier. So what are the rules for creating the identifier? So the identifier must be start with alphabet and it's a combination of digits. So when the identifier having any spaces, we avoid the spaces by using the underscore symbol. By mistake, if you are using any other symbol like a dollar, then we will get a syntax error. If suppose I show here dollar cash equal to 10. So if I'm giving dollar cash equal to 10, which is an invalid identifier. If suppose I'm given cash equal to 10, so which is a valid identifier, means the rules for creating identifier is it must be start with alphabet symbol. It will be a combination of digits, and whenever we want to concatenate two strings by using the, we can go for the underscore symbol. See here, if I see here cash withdrawal I given here. So here we are getting an error. It's showing with the bulb symbol. See here. So cash and space withdrawal. So it is a not a combination of which is not having any underscore symbol. That's why it is showing an error when we are going for any execution. So it show you see here we see invalid syntax. So to overcome this, we go for underscore symbol. This is a valid identifier. So we can give, if suppose if I want to give any special characters like dollar, it is also invalid identifier. So the rules for creating identifier is the it must be start with alphabet, and it can be a combination of digits, means cash withdrawal one also it allows. See here, it allows nothing where we are getting nothing error we are getting here. If suppose if you are giving any special symbols, it giving error. And also you should not start with any digit or any special symbol. See, I'm giving 1 2 3 cash withdrawal. So when we are going for execution, it is giving invalid decimal literal. So the literal should be start with the alphabet, and it's a combination of numbers. So identifiers are case sensitive, and if suppose I am giving cash withdrawal, CASH withdrawal equal to 10, and the same, if suppose you see here a little difference here, I given cash withdrawal capital C. So this cash withdrawal is differ from this cash withdrawal because the which is a case sensitive, and we see here I'm given this cash withdrawal uh, as value as 30. I am print cash withdrawal and print cash withdrawal. So I am going to execute here. You see here this cash withdrawal is having the value as 10, and this cash, because here the which is the identifier always a case sensitive, but I am giving here capital C. So this cash withdrawal is different from this cash withdrawal. So that's why it is giving both different outputs. So the rules for creating identifier is which must be alphabet symbol. If identifier starts with underscore, then indicates it is private. And identifier should not start with any digit. We seen already in this example. Identifier are case sensitive. We cannot use reserve words for identifier. We're having reserve words in the Python. Approximately 36 reserve words are there. So we don't use as an identifier. So there is no length limit for the Python identifier, but not recommended to use length identifier. Dollar symbol is not allowed in the Python. So we are having so many types of rules and regulations, and we are discussed here. We should keep in mind to create an identifier. If identify the, so the important points we are discussed in this identifier, that is, if identifier starts with underscore symbol, then it is called as private. If suppose any we are, it is treated as a private if it is started with the underscore symbol. So if an identifier starts with two underscores, then it indicates a strongly private. If suppose we are giving like this, it is indicated as a strongly private. If the identifier starts with and ends with two underscore symbols, then identifier language defined a special name which is known as a magic method. Means if suppose if we are giving like this, the identifier starts with and ends with a double underscore. It is as a magic method, known as a magic methods. We should keep in mind when we are creating an identifier. Thank you. Please subscribe and like for more videos.